Hello everyone, this is Smile Buddy. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you that how to make your own circular logo on Adobe Photoshop, like this. But first of all, click on subscribe button below in this video. Now let's make our logo. Create a new file, and hit create. Now we will start by creating a circle, so for that, select ellipse tool, in the shape tool, and a make circle. When you draw a circle, hold the shift key and draw it. Now what we wanna do, press Ctrl A, and align the circle in center. Now select the circle layer and press Ctrl J, after that press Ctrl T, and make the circle a little bit smaller, by holding the Shift key and Alt key, and now change the color of circle you want. Now select the both circles and go to Layer, Combine Shapes, and subtract from each other. Select that layer and press Ctrl J, press Ctrl T, and make the circle a little bit smaller by holding the Shift key and Alt key. And now, click on Point Selection tool, click on Exit inside of this circle. Press Ctrl T, and increase to down the size of circle. Now select again the ellipse tool, and make new small circle by holding the Shift key. Select this layer and also select the background layer, to align the layers into the center of screen. Select the first layer and press Ctrl J, to make a copy of circle. Decrease the size of new circle by holding the Shift key and Alt key, active the ellipse tool, and change circle color to transparent, and change stroke color you want. Also increase the stroke size, and also change the stroke style into dashes. Click here by holding Ctrl key, hide this layer and add layer mask into the second layer. Now press Ctrl I. Select all layers except background layer, and press Ctrl G. Now all layers are in this group. Now type your name by clicking the Type tool. I use the Crinkers font style. Don't worry, the link of font is in the description. You can download from there. After that, double-click on text layer. To make the line under the text, click on the end of text, and press 9. Here we go, the line is here. Hold the Control button on keyboard, and click on text layer. And now, hide the text layer. Select the group layer and add mask, and press Ctrl I. Now visible the text layer, and make the fill value to 0. Go to FX, and click on stroke, and increase outside size of stroke with any color you want. Now type your slogan name by clicking the Type tool. I write designer. Hold the Control button on keyboard, and click on text layer. And now, hide the text layer. No need to add mask again. Select mask in the group layer, and press Ctrl I. Now visible the text layer, and make the fill value to 0. Go to FX, and click on Stroke. And increase outside size of stroke with any color you want. Let's add also this layer in the group layer, and now add pictures that I have saved. You can also download that pictures from the link that is in the description below. Open the image. Press Ctrl T and cover this in whole logo. Right-click on the layer, and click on Create, Flipping, Mask. Now get the second image and do the same as before. Change the effects you want. Now the last thing, if you want to change the background layer, unlock the background layer, go to FX, and unclick on Gradient Overlay. Select the gradient style you want. Here we go, your logo is ready, and now you can put this logo on your photos, like this. Hope you guys like this tutorial, so like, comment, and share this video, and if you have any problem about IT, then comment below, and I am sure I will give you the solution in my next videos. Meantime, goodbye, see you soon guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.